everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not showing up or not being detected in the Nvidia app on PC. This is a pretty common issue, but thankfully there are several things we can try to get it working. Let's get into it. Solution 1. The first thing we're going to try is simply refreshing the games list inside the Nvidia app. Go ahead and open the Nvidia app. Once it's open, navigate to the graphics section. Now look for the three dots menu and click on it. From the options that appear, click on Refresh. Try refreshing the list multiple times. Sometimes it takes a few attempts for the app to detect your game. After each refresh, check to see if Forza Horizon 6 has appeared in the list. Solution 2. If refreshing didn't work and the game still isn't showing up, let's try adding the game's installation folder manually. Click on the three dots menu again and this time select Add Scan Location. Navigate to the folder where Forza Horizon 6 is installed on your computer. Once you've found the game's installation folder, select it and click Select Folder. Wait for the Nvidia app to finish scanning the folder. Once it's done, check if the game now appears in the list. If the game is still not showing up, let's try closing and relaunching the Nvidia app completely. Close the Nvidia app by right-clicking on its icon in the system tray and selecting Exit. Once it's fully closed, go ahead and relaunch the Nvidia app. Check if Forza Horizon 6 is now appearing. If it's still not there, don't give up. Try closing and relaunching the app multiple times. Sometimes it can take anywhere from 5 to 10 relaunches before the game is properly detected. Solution 4. If relaunching the Nvidia app several times still hasn't fixed the issue, the next step is to restart your computer completely. After your PC has fully restarted, go ahead and open the Nvidia app again and check if Forza Horizon 6 is now showing up in the graphics list. Solution 5. If none of the above solutions have worked, the issue might be related to your graphics card driver. Let's make sure it's fully up to date or try reinstalling it. Open the Nvidia app and navigate to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates to see if a new driver is available. If there is one, go ahead and install it. If your driver is already up to date, try reinstalling it anyway, as a clean reinstall can sometimes resolve detection issues. Once the driver installation is complete, relaunch the Nvidia app and check if Forza Horizon 6 is now appearing correctly. And those are all the solutions for fixing Forza Horizon 6 not showing up or not being detected in the Nvidia app on PC. One of those steps should do the trick for you. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.